Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Game My Alliance. Today we're going to introduce you a new GameFi project called Clash of Moland. So Clash of Moland is a new simulation game launched by Mobox on August 11th. Players need to upgrade their buildings using the obtained resources, as well as upgrading team to fight for resources to rank on the leaderboards and earn income. Let's first get to know the rules and benefits of joining the alpha test. The game will start the alpha test on August 11th, and the first round will end on August 25th, and then they will launch the second round. The reward for the test will be 1,020 Mobox and 1,200 MEC. There are 4 rankings, namely Prestige, Prosperity, Arena, and Conquest. Individual players can be ranked in the top 300 in the first 3 rankings to get rewards. The Conquest leaderboard is the ranking of all the guilds in the game. At present, the game is still free to play, and we have also established a guild in it. Overall, it's quite fun to play, and it focuses on strategic planning and teamwork ability, so that players in general have a solid gaming experience. However, the attainment and upgrade of resources can be time and energy consuming, which costs so much attention. Next, we'll get into the gameplay. Clash of Moland is a typical SLG with individual and team cooperation. The key is obtaining and upgrading the resources. The game consists of 6 regions, which will be chosen and set when the players first enter the game. If you are planning to join a team or a guild, we recommend to double-check with your teammate before choosing the region to play. New players can follow the daily missions to do the main quest. It would be super helpful to get a better understanding of how the whole game works. Apparently, the game focuses on players' strategic operation, and in the meanwhile, joining in a guild that is able to communicate in time and give good assistance is also of great significance. We would recommend to choose an active guild with higher ranking, which could potentially bring more income to you as well. Since the game is still in the first round of alpha test, this video will primarily concentrate on the gameplay for now, instead of making suggestions on card combinations. The overall game has 3 sides: castle, territory, and the world map. The task list is in the lower left corner. New players can gradually start it by completing the tasks in each chapter. Upgrading the level of City Hall will unlock corresponding buildings that can be built. Completing missions allow you to get resources and soldiers reserve faster. In the territory, you will be able to play the game to obtain various levels of land with different resources in order to increase the overall production. The higher the level of territory, the harder it is to fight against you. When you choose one land to conquest, you will expand your own territory after conquering it successfully, as well as acquiring the corresponding resources on the land. You can also choose to reckon the land before conquest when you are unsure about the resource on the land. In the world map, you have 30 attempts in total and will regain 1 attempt every hour. Every time you play the game on the world map to collect the resources will cost 1 attempt. Each resource point is displayed on the world map. You can spend 1,000 grand production to reckon the army in each point. After clicking on the gathering button, your team will attack the army to start the resource gathering if successful. The gathering takes about 4 hours. You will get all resources in the point as well as a treasure chest. You can also choose to march to protect your team that is gathering. If the resource point has a red question mark on it, it means that it's gathered by a non-ally player. The players can fight for resources in that point. You will be able to see how long the opponent has started gathering by the amount of resource left in that point. If you win the battle, the gathering time will be inherited. For example, if there are still 10 minutes left for gathering to end, then you will only wait another 10 minutes to finish the resource gathering. Defeating the orc marauders on the world map will also bring resources to forge equipment and upgrade. Our guide will analyze in depth from the aspects of obtaining resources, building construction, team matching, and cooperation. In Castle, you can obtain resources by completing daily missions and chapter tasks, as well as purchasing daily gift packs in the event site. In Territory, you can produce corresponding resources by conquering different types of territories, including farmland, woodfield, iron mine, and quarry. With the advancement of technology, you will be able to conquer more higher-level territories. In the world map interface, you can obtain resources through reckoning, gathering, and marching. In the building site, you will also see different buildings constructed that can be upgraded using corresponding wood, iron, and rock production. The higher the building level, the more production you will need, and of course, you will have a more advanced and prosperous land. When the city hall is upgraded to level 4, it will unlock the academy. Level 5 unlocks genome split, where you can trade productions. Level 7 unlocks the arena. Finally, level 8 unlocks all places. In addition, as you expand territories, the warehouse needs to be upgraded to store more production. When you enter the game for the first time, you will unlock 2 troops. After upgrading the academy to level 5, you will be able to expand your troops up to 5 in total. You can spend gold coins, scrolls, or Mobox at the hero order in Castle to draw random heroes. There are 5 qualities: good, excellent, rare, epic, and legend. When binding an epic card, you can get 90 Mobox and 135 MEC as rewards. Accordingly, binding a legend card will bring 15 Mobox and 22.5 MEC as rewards. They can be collected through the monument in Castle. The higher the monument level, the faster the reward can be collected. There are 4 attributes of heroes: strength as attack, intelligence as magic power, stamina as defense power, agility as speed. We recommend a choice of 3 attributes: defense plus attack, as well as blood recovery. A troop consists of 1 commander and 2 deputy commanders. Choose a powerful card as your commander and match the attributes when choosing the other 2 deputy commanders. The higher level heroes could lead more troops. There are 4 types of troops: soldier, cavalry, marksman, and mage. They restrain each other as cavalry beats soldier, soldier beats marksman, marksman beats mage, and mage beats cavalry. We recommend to bring the same class of troops with S rank. Once mix and match the classes, it will reduce the damage output. After joining a guild, working with your team could conquest more lands and fight over more resources. First of all, the guild is able to organize a conquest to defeat the city guard and conquer the nearest city. After occupying it, the guild will gain more experience and honor points. Then, your troops will have the permission to enter the city. Finally, you will need to send troops to defend the city from other looters, and you will also gain experience and honor points if you have successfully defended your city. The above is the basic introduction of the game. We will update the suggestions on card combinations after the alpha test. Please join our Discord channel to communicate and share great ideas with us. Thanks for watching today's video.